Starting a successful career as a freelance graphic designer on Upwork requires careful planning and strategic profile optimization. Today, we'll walk through the essential steps to launch your freelancing journey and stand out from the competition. First, let's create a compelling Upwork profile. Your profile is your digital storefront, and first impressions matter. Begin with a professional headshot, no selfies or casual photos. Dress professionally and ensure good lighting. Your title is crucial. Instead of simply writing graphic designer, be specific about your expertise. Something like brand identity designer and logo specialist, or UI/UX designer specializing in mobile apps, helps you target specific clients. Now let's craft your profile overview. The first 2 to 3 lines are vital. They're what clients see before clicking more. Start with a powerful hook. I transform business ideas into visually compelling brands that capture attention and drive results. Your portfolio deserves special attention. Upload 8 to 10 of your absolute best projects. Each piece should tell a story. Include brief descriptions explaining the client's challenge and how your design solved it. Variety is important, but maintain focus on your specialty areas. If you're targeting logo design work, ensure at least 60% of your portfolio showcases logo projects. Skills verification is another crucial element. Take Upwork's skills tests related to graphic design, Adobe Creative Suite, and any other relevant tools. Aim to score in the top 20% and display these badges prominently on your profile. This builds immediate trust with potential clients. Let's talk about pricing strategy. When starting, you might be tempted to set very low rates to win projects. Instead, position yourself in the mid-range market. If the average rate for logo design is $30 to $50 per hour, start at $25 to $30. This shows you value your work while remaining competitive for entry-level projects. Your work history is initially empty, so focus on securing your first few projects. Look for smaller, quick-win opportunities. These might be simple banner designs or social media graphics. Execute these perfectly. They're your stepping stones to bigger projects. Employment history and education sections need attention too. Include relevant offline design experience, internships, and certified courses. If you've completed any specialized design training or hold certificates from platforms like Coursera or Udacity, list them. An often overlooked optimization tip is using keywords strategically throughout your profile. Research the terms clients use when searching for designers. Incorporate phrases like brand identity design, logo development, or print design naturally into your overview and project descriptions. Client feedback is gold on Upwork. For your first projects, communicate clearly that you're aiming to build a strong reputation. Go above and beyond, deliver ahead of schedule, provide multiple options, and be responsive to revisions. Happy clients often lead to long-term relationships and referrals. Consider creating a video introduction. Even a 30-second clip where you introduce yourself and your services can significantly increase profile views. Keep it professional, script it carefully, and ensure good audio quality. Response time matters on Upwork. Set up mobile notifications and aim to respond to potential clients within 2 to 3 hours. Quick, professional responses show you're serious about your work and reliable. Customize every proposal you send. Research the client's business, reference specific points from their job posting, and explain exactly how you can help. Include relevant portfolio samples with each proposal. Don't make clients search for them. Finally, join Upwork's community forums and participate actively. This not only helps you learn from experienced freelancers, but also increases your profile's visibility within the platform. Remember, success on Upwork isn't instant. Focus on building a strong foundation with an optimized profile, delivering exceptional work, and maintaining professional relationships with clients. With persistence and dedication to quality, you'll build a thriving freelance graphic design business on the platform.